Hello, hello, welcome back everybody. Number 2 of the day, it's Friday. Congrats, Start Chaos 15 again for being first. I super appreciate you. Let's see. So we were working on a tree. That new pine smell. And I wanted to create a new texture here. A new resource, a new shader material. I think I might have called it leaves. What did I call it? Did I call it leaves? I did call it leaves. Let's save it. Let's save this here as is. And then we're going to go back here. We're going to open up that new pine smell. We're going to re-import it. Now, materials. We're going to go to leaf. We're going to do external. Let's find this. Go back to assets. We're going to go over textures. What the hell did I save this one as? Pine needles. I did save it as pine needles, so you can go here. Open up that material. Leaf. Where the hell to go? Advanced textures, pine needles right here. Oh wait, do I need to re-import it like that? even showing up. Oh, I'm saving it to the wrong place. Okay. Save as textures. Let's go textures here. Okay, now we can re-import this shit. Go assets, textures, pine needles. There we go. Look. All right, now I can, excuse me. Object, shade smooth. And then let's go back here. I guess I got to save it, right? Let's save it. Save in a tree. Save the trees. Don't start fires. That's how we do around here, right? Come on, let's get in there. Importing. Inherited scene. There we go. Getting much better. Should probably close off all those, right? Let's do that because I am concerned there. Okay, no. Merging at center. Okay, so this will be one way to do it. Ooh, I better check something first though. Better check this. Object mode. Nope. Edit mode. That's what I was afraid of. Face. It's gonna take forever. Okay, keep going here. Wait, what the hell's going on here? Ah, yeah, no. Ooh, that looks bad. Put a face on everything. You get a face. You get a face. You get a face. You get a face. Did you get a face? Everybody got face. So let's go back now. Now that we've got that new pine smell with faces. Okay, new inherited. Hide you. Hide you. Check this shit out. There we go. Surface material. Look at that. Actually came together pretty nicely, right? I think I would like to... All right, so we did this one really easy. So practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. I don't know what I'm saying here. Let's see. fix the angle. All right. Angle. La, 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 la. And let's see, display. View information. One object, one draw call. A shitload of primitives, but no worries there. Okay, now. Now let's take a look and see if we can do a second pass on that texture, which is under here, textures. Okay. So let's see if we can convert. We can figure out how to convert. Not that. There's nothing in there. Okay, so we need to go to map maker. No, is it map maker? Or no, I think we just need to go to the file system. Look into the add-ons, look at the proton scatter. Proton scatter demos, or demos. We call it NAS. That's because it's map maker. Okay, let's go back to the pine tree here. God damn it. Right, let's take this. We're going to open up some code. And then Shift T. Oh. Okay, that's my LinkedIn. I'm gonna pull it over here. So if I don't catch your messages, it's because you're covered in VS Code. Got that VS Code all over. So vertex is local position XYZ. So we need create sampler. No. Texture. Scales. I do what I can. Show 2D parameter. There we go. Sampler port. Hold off on that. Okay, so we've got that. Okay, so I'm looking at it and let's see. Maybe instead of the fragment in general, because the fragment coming from that. Okay, so I've got that kind of already. Um, oh, nope, nope. I don't think that I need that. I think I do need model matrix. All right. Let's go in here now. Go to view 2. I would kind of like to convert this shader into actual shader language, but for now let's work backwards here. Need vertex. All right. And then what can we use to split it? Remap. No, 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 no. Shit. It's not a transform. Is it a utility? No, 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 no. Vector decompose. There we go. Vertex. There we go. So we're decomposing the vector. Just like your bones are going to be decomposing after Sooty gets done with you. Now we have the vertex. We need model matrix. Model matrix. There we go. That's our other input. Time. Let's line them up all nice and clean like. Okay, time. Texture noise. What is texture noise? That is going to be a texture 2D. Noise texture. All right, and then we're getting that panning UV. What is a panning UV? Where does that come from? R. Ron TTV, welcome in. Good to see you. How you doing tonight? Hopefully all is well. Right on. Good. Just relaxing. I'm glad to hear that. Relaxing is important. Panning UV. What other input do we need here? Okay, so we need vec2. And speed. It's an add-on called Ridiculous Coding. I actually have it turned off now because some people were finding it a little bit too distracting. But I enjoy it, but it does cover up quite a bit. But if you go in asset library here, look for ridiculous coding, use the Jotson version. I know Jotson. He's good people. I think this is just somebody tried to make some updates, but it didn't make it any better. So support Jotson. Let's go back. Let's look at this really quick. Let's take a quick back to the 3D. Just out of curiosity, we have time. And front row. Oh noes. I guess this would be good if we were trying to make the tree sway, but okay, those are as is. Now we want to do something between input vertex and output vertex. Now that is going to probably be a time. Line. Sign of the time. And then we're going to add node multiply. Is this gonna work? I don't think so, but it might. It might actually work. Can I convert this over? Let's see if I can do that. I don't know if this is a thing that I can do, but I would like to try. So if we go back here, it says textures, needles. Convert to shader. All right, there we go. So we have that. and I don't understand half of what's going on, but the other half I'm absolutely clueless about. Let's just be honest about that there. So I know that I have the UV. I've got 4 textures. Let me see if I can boom, boom, boom. That's not it. I'm gonna open this right on up here. Now I'm going to move that over to the side so that I can keep an eye on it. And we're going to see if I can just recreate it here from the get-go. So we're going to look at fragment first. Back. UV equals UV. They're going to yell at me. Okay, great. And then this was in the fragment, I believe. Let me just check here. Or in the vertex, that's going to be... What the hell? Where was that? That was a source color? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We've got the UV. Then uniform sampler 2D. Let's say what it is there. However, textures. I want to move this to shader, but pine tree. Pine tree. There, 9. Okay, so there's nothing there. Okay, N out 4, N out 5, N out 6. Where do these others come into play? Text brag. Texture 2D, texture 2D, texture 2D, texture 2D. Output. So get our parameters. Source color is Source normal. What other hints are there? Source color, hit normal, source. Hit rough. Okay, so we can put all those in there. And then we're also going to need back to all right, let's take some of this. Captain Coder, welcome back, my friend. I'm shadering. Folks, you got to get yourself into that game jam. The Learn Your Game Jam. Learn something new. Make yourself better. Become a better you. Be the best you that you are capable of being. Because if I said that any differently, then somebody might come after me for copyright infringement. Because I'm sure it's a trademarked closing statement by a certain captain hanging out here, who has also been known to answer questions like this.
Yes, the answer is yes, Daddy. Daddy, the answer is yes.
I'm not saying every question that he answers is answered like that, but enough of them are so that oh, you're back. I was playing with my Transformers. Never mind. All right, so wind speed, strength wind scale, noise scale. What other? What other things do we need in here? We need. I don't think we need that. Don't think we need that. I don't quite understand what model matrix is. apparently neither does Godot help. Let's... What is model matrix? Where'd you go? Model space to world space transform. Okay. That one I'm not quite sure of, but or not quite sure what I understand or what it is. Model space. What is model space? What is... Trying to commit it to BF. Actually, you know what? Funny story. Pretty sure that I have this already. Nice. If anybody's interested in this, I'm gonna post it in chat. It's a Godot shader cheat sheet that somebody gave me. It's on Reddit. I don't remember who it was that popped it my way, but we're sharing the love out. Just know that I did not come up with it. Now, was there a noise? Okay, we'll pop this in here too. So, blaring color, blaring float height. Where the hell do these get set? Height. Oh, it gets set there. Vertex Y. Okay, let's cheat a little bit here. Now, stop that. Let's cheat a little bit here. Let's clear that. Let's post something in here. Now let's see if we understand texture noise. Texture noise. I did it again. That's something that I missed. Okay, so let's see if we understand this. Get based on Y. Okay, world position is model matrix is the model to world. Model space, world space. Model matrix is the model space converted to world space. Did we ask our friend, you know, I'm just gonna ask. Please explain shader and world space to me like I am a moron. Whoa, hello. Too many words for moron, come on. All right, think of a shader as a special program that tells you, I got that. Model space is like the object's own little world. Imagine you have a toy car on your desk. I'm there. You measure distance and positions relative to the toy car itself. Like the wheels are 5 inches apart. You're thinking in model space. It's all about the object's local coordinates. So his legs are relative to each other. In model space. Let me turn this around so it's, you know, the backhoe is on the backhoe. Pop the head up. Okay, so we're talking about the foot to the foot. World space is the world where your desk is located. You measure distance and positions relative to the room, like the toy car is 3 feet away from the door. Model space is the character's personal coordinate system. World space is a game's world. Model space, local to the object. World space. Now, how does this relate to RCB? My guess is you were in a drunken stupor or potentially robbing a bank. Those are the only two options I can think of. Okay, so that's what we get. Part moves a model. When you apply the model matrix to an object's coordinates in model space, you transform those coordinates into world space. So the equivalent of there would be like taking position. Would be position versus global position, right? Relative to the entire we use this to get the current world position. I got that. I understand. Now UV Where'd you go, you little shit? Where did you go? Come here so I can kill you. You're already dead. Oh, fuck, right in front of me. A jerk. It flew on the side of this thing. Go. Come on. The thrill of the hunt. Boy, I'm about to catch me a big one. Got 6 legs and wings. I think it gave me the finger. Where'd you go? Come on, come towards the light. Come towards the light. Oh, It's on the monitor. Ah, fuck, it's on the monitor. A flamethrower? A flamethrower? Don't you know how I feel about fire? Haven't you been paying attention to this game I'm making? It's all about fire prevention and fire detection and fire murder. You win this round, Fly. But I'll be back. Oh yes, I will be back. You will be dead. Now you're talking. This ain't radiation. Refers. Oh. UV refers to in the pixel space because X, Y, and Z were taken by the man. Now, what is this? What is this YY? Vertex YY? Swizzling? What? Whoa, what kind of stream is this? Y'all, are y'all here to watch me swizzle? Vectors are representative points. The example might be vector to point X, Y, X, Y, Z. Swizzling is a convenient way to access and rearrange components of vectors. Vertex is the vertex input, okay. YY is my swizzle stick. Take the Y component of the vector twice. That creates a new vector where both components are the Y value of the original. Zoom vertex is... It sounds like it is. Captain, why don't you get over here and swizzle with me? See? If I had changed my bot's name to JD does swizzle stuff, you would have given me some grief there too. I'm sure you would have. It all sounds like some really interesting or really bad pickup line. Hey, you understand swizzling? You can more effectively manipulate its vector data. Oh yeah. We're gonna make your shaders code more concise and expressive. Yeah. You know what? You don't, but you should. You should. You know what? We will in 3 minutes because I'm gonna stop for the ads. You're gonna get power because you've given me power. I'm gonna give you some power back. Currency. Living space. Yes, I will be back in about 3 minutes. Welcome in, Raiders. I have to wait 7 seconds to give another shout out. I wasted my good shout out on IRAD. Damn it. One moment while we recover from that tragedy. Pinsifty, what's going on? Oh, there ain't no brain slugs on me. There ain't no brain slugs on me. There might be brain slugs on some of you. Slugs, but there ain't no brain slugs on me.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock. Raiders, 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 taking a step, just got some Raiders. Raiders, taking a step, just got some Raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 taking a step, just got some Raiders.
There, I still made it happen. It just took a little bit. There's your shout out. There it is. There's a good one. There's a good one. Welcome in. I'm gonna catch up on the chat here. Amazing stuff happening. Flipping tables, trying to learn Blender. Yeah, that does happen. Well, what the fuck just happened to... Whoa. Somebody sent me a big old link that... Weird. Some new windows in Houdini, but we ate lunch. Right on. So Raiders coming in, welcome in. I'm JD. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a web developer currently learning game dev using Burp and Godot. Some more than the others. Right now I'm working on a scary ass game. Not a scary ass game, a scary ass game. About a bear who really hates fires and will stop at nothing to put them out. I'm currently working on getting the trees to look decent and trying to do some shader shit. But let's hop over into level 1 land because I don't think I have anything changed here yet. Let's see. Raggy. There they are. Okay. And let's take out the... Turn off the lights and I'll glow. Real quick. Fix the terrain tool, or fix the nav mesh. So I have a hard time letting go of things, but I like learning new things. And when I learn them new things, you know, sometimes you gotta just say the good stuff work good enough, it's gonna stick around. The bad stuff don't stick around no more. But the new stuff, it definitely gonna come. All right, so let's save those changes. Press a little play. Oh, wait a tick. Oh, okay, good. Run the current scene. Oh, damn! My bot just got the best. What? What? Who shot who in the what now? Why? Oh, it's a breakpoint. Oh. All right, so the game. Hoodie's Revenge. You play the part of a camper. Hold on, let me get my big brain out of the way here. Boop. You've gone too far into the woods. Oh. And we're gonna turn this down too. Hold on. I'm gonna pause it on my end too because I want to hear the sounds. Because you see, well, you hear. Shit, battery's getting real low. Let's start a fire. There we go. We started a fire. Great things happen when you start fire in these woods. I'll tell you that right now. Great things happen when you start fires in these woods. All right, so we gotta look for our mini maps. This is as much of a mini map as you're gonna get. Ha 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 ha. There's dust in our face. All right, you are here, but we want to get here. Guess what? There's nothing there yet. I haven't put that in. And then we want to. Uh-oh, flashlight's getting low. And we have a couple more informational boards here and here. In case you can't see. We've got where the ranger station will be here. We have another information board here. Another one here. And yet another here. And your save point is here at the bathroom. Love is a burning thing. It makes fiery ring. Bound. I won't love him. Ah, fuck me. He found me. And that's why I want to get sound effects on Sooty. Only moo? Only moo, huh? Horrible. That's the worst. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 because I got hit in the head with a shovel by a bear. And it burned, burned, burned. When he bit my ass off, he bit my ass off. Dun, 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 dun. So that is what I'm working on there. That's the thing. Right now I'm trying to figure out the shaders. So we're editing in the shader editor. I'm trying to code or comment the code that I'm seeing here. 1e-2, that's going to be like, is that just a fancy way of writing 0.1 or 0.01? Swizzle. Okay. Okay. You know what? Hey, hey, this came up earlier. I'm curious about this because the word swizzle to me sounds dirty. So there's a poll. Okay, noise scale. Okay, I was right. So, okay. Captain or anybody. What is the advantage of writing exponential notation like this, as opposed to just writing it as a float or a double? So why would one write 1e to the negative second or 1 to the negative second power, or versus 0.01? you, you feel free to swizzle some bits. You can swizzle any bit that you want to. I'm not here to judge. I mean, I've heard of swizzle sticks. They're like mixing sticks for drinks. Oh shit, you still can't see me. You're welcome. Oh, now we're back. All right, so we're getting that, and then panning UV is the fractal of the time plus one direction. Swizzle your vertices to make a new V or texture. Now, is it fractal or fract? Texture noise. Texture. All right, so we have that. Ryan Hawkins, welcome in. Good to see you. All right, so we can be now that we have this. Kind of want to see. I want to see. Just based on what we have so far, let's save this. Take a look at the unsaved in Tray Day. Okay, that does not appear to be doing jack shit just yet. Oh, because we haven't done it. Kevin, I think I need to change the name. I can't look at that. It just my 12-year-old mind just cannot help but laugh at that. Ah. Roughness. Ah, rough, just the way your mother likes it, eh, Trebek? Um, now where, what the, would, who, okay, so nothing is happening just yet. Nothing at all. Let's see, let's see. Hey, where the hell was Alpha Scissor Threshold? What? Paxis, thank you. Paxis Tab, thank you for the biddies. And identify transmission. Transmission. Identifier. Texture gradient. Oh, okay. I did not get that. Copy this. Copy. Why not tell a ogre? Because are you two fighting it out? Are you two having a bidding war on my love and attention? Fight. What the fuck? The captain coming in. Transmission. This is gonna make a change. I'm gonna say what? Uh-oh. Y'all gonna make me hype my train up in here, up in here. Wait, have we hit?
Hype train started.
Hype train started. What are we at? What are we at? Irad getting a one up in captain. Please do. Oh, Apoxis, good fake out there. Yes, thank you. Texture gradient. Who's gonna do it? Who's gonna do it? Who was that last one? Paxis with 100. Nice. Nice. Can't even keep track of them. Captain in with another 71. My thing is just now getting caught up. Wow. Wow. Now what the... What? Another 2, Biddy. You like my juicy bits? You like the juicy bit sound? The juicy bit sound. You like it, the juice? The juice is good, no? You like it, the juice. All right, all right. This is not working here. Ooh, depth round pick. Let's what? No, but total height. I thought they had a total height. Where far out there? We lost Cap. Cap gone. Cap gone. You like it, the juice? The juice is good, no? Where the hell did that total height go? That's where it went. Because I hit the wrong button. Hello. What are we at? What are we at? Ooh. 97. We need a leaderboard here, don't we? We need some kind of... What the actual greasy poop is happening right here? This is not right. This is no good. There is a leaderboard. I meant on screen. On screen. Right here. Like Like, hold on. There. Cheer your way to the top. That's right. So far, we got Captain Koger and Ogre coming in with a 660. We are 6 away from Ogre. Just get that 6 more so we can... And then... Oh, 661. 661. Look at all these biddies dropping all over my face. Who's going to be next? Who's going to be the next one? Oh. Where's Ogre is falling behind by 1. And somehow Pigorli is still on the board. So we need... What? Ponxus Dev with 1,000 coming up. Ponxus, once you hit 1,000, I believe now that you hit that level, if you haven't already, you should probably have access to now the JD does Captain Heart emote. That's right. JD does Capt Heart emote for the 1K biddy. Every time that you want to use that anywhere for the rest of your life, it's all on you. Captain Coder with 1107. Almost time to make a wish there. Wilger falling way behind Rem10A and RCB. Right off the board. But again, we need somebody to knock Pigorli right off the board altogether. Like, get him out of the top 10. Does my bot have any? Wilger coming in hot with the... How many is that? 500 biddies. As our friend Science says. We're at 1166, 1165. Ponxus Dev with 1100 or with 1000. IRAD falling way behind. Rem10A, RCB, Kales, Proton, Science, and Pigorli. I don't think we made... Ponxus up to 1,300. Lucky number 13. 13 for me, 13 for you, but I don't think that we made the hype thing for some reason. I don't care. This is still freaking hilarious, and I love you all for it. Res1, welcome in. You are entering into a bitting war, not a bidding war, a bitting war. Textual Beto. We're going to quick load here. 19. What? 132. Yep. Wilger in with another 200. What the fuck? All right, this is not more bits are getting... Hey, I am fine with about $60. I mean, if we hit that bit goal for the day, that's a win. You know what that is? You know what that means for me? It means another bag of Huel so I can eat for 3 weeks. About 350. Yep. I got 350 right here. Okay, this shader material didn't do a damn thing. Texture gradient. Like that, and then what does the new noise do? Okay, so we got some movement here. Ooh, look at that. We got movement. Check that shitty out. But the colors are way wrong. And let's take it back to the leaderboard. Looks like we've got Epoxy. Oh, Captain Coder coming in from the rear at 1801, right above Epoxy Step. Woolger falling way behind at 1369. Nice. Irad, Ramtene, and RCB. Keeping it above 100 there. Kales, Proton Fig, Science, and Pigorly down a little bit towards the end. What we need here right now, just a quick little incognito window. Let me log on in. 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 Oh crap, I gotta do the thing here. Oh crap, I gotta do the thing here. I oh crap, I gotta do the thing here. I agree. I am all for it. Hold on. I'm hearing myself on repeat. All for it. Hold on. I'm hearing myself. You're hearing it too. All for it. Hold on. Thank you so much for that. I need to open up another browser though and check something. So much for that. I need to open up a where are we going here? So much for that. I need to open up a where are we going here? For that. I need to open up a where are we going here? Where are we going here?
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
I most certainly did. Not.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here.
What?
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Odd Oculus, welcome in. Welcome in, Oculus. Interaction system almost complete. Excellent Friday vibes. Always great to see you. Hope you are doing well. Raiders coming in who don't know me. My name's JD. I'm a web developer, currently unemployed, currently looking for a job, currently learning game dev. And I'm learning game dev using Godot, working on a scary ass bear game. At least that's a goal. I hope that he's a scary ass bear and not a bear with a scary ass. Although, I guess it really depends on his diet, doesn't it? How scary his ass is going to be. I mean, if he's on a Huel diet like me, it's gonna be very scary. But I digest. I'm currently trying to figure out some shader shit. I'm trying to take some stuff from what? One Pokle. Thank you, Odd Oculus. I'm trying to get the colors fixed here because I took a shader from a different thingy and it seems to not want to play nice. So maybe though, if I change the colors like here to there, and there to there. I mean, that's kind of getting there, but not quite. What we really need here is for that to be fixed so that we can see through it. So I almost need to... Kwakwi, welcome in. Good to see you. Also, Raiders, if you want, feel free to drop a follow so that if you like what you see, you know when to come back. I'm also over on YouTube trying to reach that unattainable goal of Are we caught up? Yay! Wait, no, don't shut up. Don't. Who's losing mod over that? Who? We need him knocked off the Hold on. Oh, this'll. Thank you for demoing my my LLM. I appreciate that. Okay. Alpha Scissor. I think the problem, what we have here is a failure to communicate between myself and this thing. What if I took this? Are we still going? Okay, it's 1807 to 1806. $1808 to 1807. But what if we replace this noise texture here, or not that, but the albedo? Let's see what happens when we replace this libido with. Whoa. Quick load. What if I? Whoa. Oh, Paxis, why don't you have the, you should have that emote. Or is it that you have to do a, I don't know how that shit works. Captain, how does that work? All right, there we go. Look at that. Now look at that. Alpha Scissor threshold.
Oh, you got a dirty little mind.
So why, okay, it's moving good. Moving is good. But the alpha clip, alpha scissor, alpha scissor. That doesn't seem to be working right. I don't know. Not sure why, or if it's something that I can work on here. Because the pine tree here, I mean, this is what I'm using for basis. We're looking at leaves. We're looking at this. Texture albedo. Okay, this had all the stuff down. How many biddies are we at? Geez, 70 more from Captain, 24 from Apoxis. We're at 2001, 2000. I don't know what you get at 2K. I honestly am unaware. I'm not sure. Oh, Paxis. Okay, it just didn't show up in my stream chat that you got the emote, and I was about to get really pissed because I want to make sure that, you know, that people get it. But 2K, you know what we need? We need a, I don't know a way to say this that wouldn't sound like something else, but like a golden JD emote. That's like the golden kappa, only more me. Right, so this looks like the problem is that there's already alpha on there. So what I need to do with that, if I want to use this setup, this new pine smell stuff, is I need to completely get rid of the who's it? The black here. I need to get rid of it. Rid of that. Ryan, thank you for hanging out. Have a good night's sleep. Thank you for being around. Thank you for being awesome. But I'm not going to thank you for shouting out P. Gorley. I mean, come on. Come on. Yeah, he streams twice a year. Every 6 months when Ludum Dare happens. Let him there. Ludum Dare. Let him do there. All right, folks. Since we got a lot of new people hanging in here, don't forget, Raiders. If you like what you see, drop a follow. Or anybody, if you like what you see, drop a follow. Also, if you do in the game dev, and if you want to learn something new, if you're not too heavily focused on a game about a bear who just wants to eat your ass, and not in that way. God, that looks so dirty. We got to change that. We got to change that name. Yeah, I got 5 cc's of loving for you right here. Yeah, that was a poor choice, Captain, and shame on me for following your lead. I don't know. Well, it can be. I'm sure there are documentaries out there that are like, you know, Dr. Nurse, like, Nurse, I got 50 cc's of love to give you. Yeah. Oh, that'll never fill me up. I have a dirty mind. I fully admit it. Everything is NSFW for me. Everything. Okay, so if we did this, not even supposed to be here today. You know, I am, apparently. Actually, Pigorley, I bought this in Red Bank. After I got an autographed comic from Walt Flanagan. Ethereal Angel, welcome in. Good to see you. All right, let's break down a little bit here. And Godot shaders. Let's just why am I just I don't need to do everything by hand, right? No. What's this do? Okay, made a quad. No, can anybody recommend a good I am not on Matrix. No Matrix for me. Sway? I mean, it's kind of like grass, but leaves. Let's see. Tree. No, not tree. Tree. Of course, it's not tree because your WordPress is showing again. But foliage? Would it be foliage? No, it's just backgrounds. I don't want that. I wanna. Okay, what I'm trying to ask is, can anybody recommend a shader on here for doing wind sway, for doing the leaves? Because what I'm trying to do doesn't quite work. And why, if the things are here already, if we have shaders already built that people are like, hey, I made this, I want to share it. Do I really need to build my own? Spatial, it's gonna be a spatial. Because I don't think, ooh, this is gonna be a thing that I need. Maybe. But I'm in favor of doing it on my own, learning the stuff. Shaders are fucking hard. So, glass shader, water shader, earth shader, fire. Everybody's just filling each other up with CCs and CCs of. Bum, 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 bum. All I want is my damn trees to look like they're swinging. Epoxy Staff, Captain Coder has to give them to you because CCs are actually short for Captain Coders. In return for him having JDs on his channel that only I can give away, I have decided to make him rich with CCs to just fill up anybody who needs a couple CCs of Captain Coder in their life. If Ariel, that's what I was afraid of. Making combination, all the shits. God damn it. But I want things to look like not static as fuck. I want things to look reasonably decent. What if we were to, what if, I know it's probably not that easy. Well, no, it's definitely not going to be easy. Definitely no. Who's got the Tina Belcher? Ah, Farron's got it. Okay. I'm no hero. I put my bra on one boob at a time. Okay, so it kind of works here, but I lose all the other stuff. So I'd have to then be like, you know, what happens if I get rid of the backlight? Okay, that's not bad. So that's combined. Upload 2D, texture, alpha, default transparent. Okay, now how do I convert that then? Texture. 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 Alpha. UV. Well, what the hell is alpha supposed to be? Okay, alpha. Alpha sensor threshold text. So I want to use the alpha texture that we have in place. Let me go back to the shader here, maybe. So basically, it should be coming here, and it looks like in this, we're taking that, taking it out as so. What I'd like to see is actually hold on, texture 2D texture. No, let's rename you. Oh, ads. I will be back in 3 minutes. I need to stretch. We have returned. Pagorly, the LLM works a lot better if you do it while the camera's on. Then that's the roughness. Let's see what the normal map. Normal map. Spec 3 normal. Okay. Well then. Go back here. quick load. 19 normal GL. Oh yeah. Now let's see. Let's go back here. Let's save this new pine smell. Oh, shit, where did I save it to? Nice. However, needs to be bigger. Spider Queen, welcome in. Welcome in. Thank you for the lurk. All right, now that we got the new pine smell, updated here. Let's go here. Let's refresh the cache. Create inside. No. Amount. Well, I saved it here. All right, let's clear it. Let's reload. Why use a small? 45. That should be a relatively easy one, I think. Yeah, there we go. I'm melting. Oh shit, yeah. Oh, yes. This song it's not just me, it's the sound is just fucked. Of course, Spider Queen, of course. File system. Okay, let's check out something here. We've got the blend file. I need to re-import this one. New pine smell blend. And then we're gonna exclude the teeny bits. We need to get rid of those teeny bits, like cube. cube one, and yeah, okay. So meshes. Cube one, skip import. Skip import. All right, now I think that we can bake the nav mesh. Rebake it. Oh, it's hurting. It's crying right now. It doesn't want to be rebaked. I think that may be a slight issue because it looks like there are little bitty bits of nav mesh inside the trees. So we need to make sure that does not happen. And we do that. Am I lagging what? Probably gonna do it again. Lag, 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 lag. Okay, so there we go. That's much gooder. Now let's see. Let's see how these trees look. Lost about 2K in creds? What creds? Channel points? Let's see. Fuck it. What? Why is this a thing? Or to I don't know what's going on there. Let's just pass it. God. Ah, shit. Wait, what? Oh, that was a long distance. How the hell did he hit me from way over there? What the frick? It is a magic shovel. Canonically now, it is a magic shovel. That was a shitload of work on those trees, and look, I still... You still barely see them. But you know what? I'm not going to complain. You know why? Because I'm going to do this, and we're going to see them. You know what? It's not a horror game anymore. It is just a wandering around the damn forest game. Wait, are they? They're not connected correctly. Son of a beach. All right. All right then. Let's try this one more time. Uh-oh. Let's set a hip hop, a hip it to the hip of the hip hip hop, and you don't stop rocking. What was I? Oh yeah, in the proton scatter item. Let's take a look at 3D. Okay, those are not connecting. Those are not connecting at all. For some reason. Are they connected here? They're connected here. Well, they're not connected here. What the actual hell? Why are the pine needles down below? What the hell would cause that? So freaking weird. Let's see if we can get rid of that. Randomized transforms. No, I don't want anything there. Project on terrain 3D. What we're doing. Amount there. Okay. Local. What's this do? You gonna change something here? No, that's not what I want to do. But, okay. I'm not just imagining things. Am I? Oh. My needles do hang low. Way too low. I mean, come on now. I honestly don't know what that is supposed to be, but hey, hey, 100. I'll go back to 100. 100. Fine. No, I haven't done anything with the code that might touch the trees. Getter shape here. Let's see. Resource transform. Is there a transform? Just that. All right, let's check something here. Let's delete that. Okay. Put in a scatter item. And we're going to now use add-ons. Demos, assets, pine tree. Okay, those appear to be like right on it. Okay, let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna re-import it. I just made all the instances real, so all the leaves should be leaves and should be like positioned correctly. Getter item. Let's see. Now, that was in scenes. Yep, exactly. This is exactly what I was planning on. Perfect. Ship it. We're done. Where the fuck did that one come from? One moment. Enthouse. Antius, welcome in. Hope you're having a good evening, good day, whatever good it could be for you. I hope it's the goodest. I'm so very, very, very confused right now. Currently on the Nox homeworld? Okay. Different time zone. Don't you use Zulu time there? Where the hell is this thing coming from? What the? Why? Why? Go home, Blender. You're drunk. And seriously, what in the actual greasy poop is going on? Oh, plane 189 is the real one here. Why is that all cattywampus? All right, so wait, let me. I got a message. Got to respond to message. Trying to remake Purple Pills? I don't follow. Is that like a D12 reference? I've been to Mushroom Mountain once or twice, but who's counting? Okay, meshes. Skip that import. Skip that import. Okay, let's re-import and let's see if this increases the survivability of my head. Ah. Come here, you fucker. I will find you and you will die by my hand. Because I am human. I have opposable thumbs. You're a fly. You eat shit. You are not a Jeff Goldblum fly. You are not a Brundle fly. Oh no. You're just an asshole. Now what in the greasy fuck happened here? No, sir, I don't like it. Okay, now let's see. Surface material override. That one is going to be new shader. Make a slight change. Get that on. We're going to turn off the environment. Oh, part-time scatter. Let's. Okay, for some reason now that is. Cancel. Can I just clear it out? Let me move you up there. Okay, let's three. Let's three? No, let's scatter item. Where asset? No, scenes from a tree. This shit is way off. Did I save this somewhere else? Is this like not the one that it should be? And if so, why? Let's see. Levels. Once again. Okay, let's do that. What? Disable it, re-enable it. Let's see if I can do that, but it's not getting the current tree version. Not at all. Where? Okay, where the hell is this thing? Proportion. No, let's open up a different one. Let's just do trees. One moment here. I think I might have gotten another message. Damn it. So I gotta respond to somebody on LinkedIn about something. Oh, okay. There we go. Message responded. But okay, so we switched that. We switched the trees. Now, can we get back to the new pine tree smell? No! New pine smell. That is what it should look like. That one isn't what it should look like, but that is. Shader load. No, 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 no. Shader quick load. Teach me how to Dougie. And again, why is it all wonky like that? No, the LinkedIn message is actually somebody that I know. Fortunately. Okay, well, now I guess we're making some progress, but why the actual greasy fuck? Oh, I'll tell you what happened. I'll tell you what happened right here. I know exactly what happened there. Leaf explosion. Wait, what? What? Okay, the leaves are already here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe this will clear the shit up. Come on. Come on. As promised. What? 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 Anybody care to explain to me what the fuck is happening here? I am kind of lost with that one. I mean, new pine smell. This is so what? But I don't get this. No, let's just do all transforms here. Let's apply all transforms there, and let's apply all transforms here. And let's save it here. And let's go back to this. Cross our fingers, eyes, and toes that it works. I'm doing my part. Are you? Yay! Now let's see if adjusting that over there is going to adjust that over here. Okay, so that is very, very strange to me. Okay, so now those do the thing. Add modifier. Randomize transforms. We're gonna put this right there. No, I said right there. We're gonna do 1,000 trees. That's right, 1,000 trees. We're doing our part to plant 1,000 trees. Scatter item. Now back to the original issue. Okay. It looks like the things are on the things, which is what we wanted. We don't want the things not on the things, because if the things are not on the things and the things are should be on the things are on the things, and the things are all messed up. And that's just not how it should work, right? So let's see. Let's see how we do. Do. So the one thing that I do when that happens is throw the Windows PC out the window and reinstall Linux instead. Haha! Went down, 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 and the flames went higher. It burns, burns, burns. I use Windows for streaming. Okay, so there was a problem here. If I stop, right there. Invalid access to property scuffs on a base object type nil. So what? Current material is nothing. Mac OS, honestly. If I had a choice, I'd be using Mac OS. I mean, I do have a choice, but I wouldn't be able to play games or make games as well. Okay, so why is it saying that I'm in the air? We're gonna have to fix that. So what do we think? Is this, I mean, I'm gonna remake the trees again. I'm gonna make them cleaner. But, you know, having the shader, having just a little bit there, and now we can play Limbo. Oh, okay. Is he going for the fire? Oh, he's got the fire. The fire is gone. Where is he? Right there. Look at that. Isn't that spoopy? Okay, so with this now, I'm pretty sure, well, that's got to be on, fuck, it's got to be on the player. Means player. Auto footsteps. And then here, there's something, it was, what line was that? Where was that error? Blah, 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 blah. Right here, okay. So this is something here, scuff. There's no scuff for air, which is fine, but why is it saying that there's air there? It's saying that it's on floor. Current material is get material. So I don't understand quite where this is or why the plant random order from there. And then let's look here at this resource, foot profile. And there, it shouldn't ever be air. So where the fuck is air being set? Air. Yeah, take that. Now it's always going to be grass. Oh, look, everything's gray because I opened the wrong scene. Hey, how about that? All right, let's go back to the level. I had the level over here before. That's where I like it. Hop on over level 1. Wait. I do want, like, it's hard for me to see the game, you know, as anything but garbage because I'm the one making it. So I want honest feedback. We can't really see. Thank you. Hey, dip. Welcome and thank you for the follow. Hope you're having a good day. Let me shrink down here, and hopefully I don't get eaten by a bear. It's also difficult for me to see it because I have the lights shining right in my face. So I have to look over at the other monitor through OBS to see anything. But is it too foggy? Is it foggy enough? Does it feel creepity? I need to come up with a an alert for subs too. I mean, follows are important, and so are subs. Everybody's important. Everybody's important here. Wait a second. One big problem. That is an issue. You know what we forgot? We forgot something kind of important here. Whoops. Let's just switch you around there. Okay. No. There. That should make things a lot easier if we have that. I don't see any reason to like do all the branches and shit, right? At this point. That collision shape, it's just simple. It's elegant. Like a fine IRAD. Simple, elegant. For some reason, it shows up out of nowhere. And we're thankful that it does. Let's get baked on the nav mesh. You're always here? No, you're not. Nobody's always here. I mean, why would they be? God, I shrank myself. So you're like, whoa, what the fuck happened there? Today in unexplained bleeding, how the hell did I get a scratch on my arm? Earth, wind, fire, water, heart. Ads are starting up. I'm gonna take a quick break. And then we're gonna run into some trees. I will be right back in about 3 minutes. Also, folks on YouTube, I'm sorry, I had the window closed. If anybody's over there chatting, I apologize. Yeah, nobody's there. Alrighty, back. Okay, so we got trees. Let's see. Skies of blue. And I think to myself, this bear's gonna eat my ass up. Looking good there. Okay, the flashlight is enough to get between a couple of spots, which is great. Can't really see where the next one would be in the dark. Maybe we need more info boards. Some better way. Oh. Okay, so we got that. We got that. Good. I'm feeling good. We got the tree. Got tree. Got tree. Got tree. Got tree. Got tree. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I was just testing something. Sorry. See if the sound, because I'm using Pretzel right now. For music. And wanted to make sure. Wait, what? Sorry. I'm distracted. Slightly. But let's see what we got here going on. What's going on? I don't know. I honestly don't know because I just like completely derailed any train of thought that I had. But I'm definitely going to remake the trees again. We're going to have tree V57 by the time this is all said and done. But I am feeling very good about this, about all the things, like especially the way getting the shader to work with that, getting the new pine tree, and well, you know what? Hold on. I need to check this. I need to just see what the difference is. If there is a difference, we need to open this up. And just check our okay, with everything that I've got running, 90 FPS is not bad, I don't think. All right, now let's wait and see. Let's see what happens when bear comes. Okay, turn that down, it goes to 70. Or maybe that's just because bear come. Not like that. But is this too much? Okay, there, bear. Bear, drop down. You get angry. You get angry. And, oh, stabbed yourself in the eye, you're dead. Tough luck, it sucks to be you. Good luck, try again. What about this for an idea? What if we could lock ourselves into the ranger station? And the quest would be to find the key on the ranger's body, maybe? I don't know. I mean, the thing that I was working on, or the way that I was thinking about it before. Whoa, what's going on here? But the way I was thinking about it before was, you know, make it kind of really nasty, hide in a toilet. Not in a toilet, but in a public bathroom. But you have to find the key at the ranger station. Triple dip. Personal. This is my sanity check while I'm unemployed and trying to find a job. I have taken up learning new things, and one of those new things is game development here, using Godot. Wait, hold on. Boom. Okay, I can't walk through the tree anymore. Yay! I am not magic. But I've been working on this game for a couple months now. This is the first game that I've taken seriously. Ish. Well, no, I'm taking it seriously. I'm definitely taking it seriously. But, sorry, yawning. But it's been what I've been doing for the entire time that I've been off work. Oh, another fire. I'm hoping in the very near future, like in the next couple days, next few streams, I think I'm at a point now where I feel comfortable with what we've got. I can start recording some videos, start taking some still photos, start getting some things, and work on getting a Steam page up and running. Now, I'm curious because I don't think I've actually done this yet, where I've set 2 fires in a row. I want to make sure that Bear is going to go after both fires. So he should be going for that one. So we might have to write up something to make him make him less confused. Okay, there's that fire. Still going. That fire's still going. Let's give him a chance to get to both of them, hopefully without killing me in the process. You going to either of them? Yeah, he put that one out, but is he gonna go put the other one out? Because I think what I might have to do then is, if he's not, then we've gotta find a way to queue it up. Yeah, he's just ignoring this one. Alright, so there's a bug that we need to... multiple fires at the same time. We need to make sure that he goes to multiple fires. I'm gonna put the bugs a little bit higher priority than to do. Well, no. We will... So we will work on this stuff and then tackle bugs as we can, as we get to them. If they relate to this, and then towards the end, then we'll come back and work out all the bugs. I think that is a reasonable plan. Whoa, hello. I've got a lot of ideas. I am wanting to get a Steam page just to start getting the hype there, to start getting people like, ooh, Sooty, yeah. I also need, for the kofi. People are going to want to start seeing results if they're supporting it, right? They're going to want to start seeing some things. So I think that's... That's going to be quite the priority, is getting a Steam page so that people can see results and then start getting stuff to post, or more stuff to post. So here, good tree, decent tree, reasonable tree. Okay, it's a tree. Maybe not the best tree, but it's definitely a tree. With that being said, is there any reason that I shouldn't just use one of the sapling ones? I mean, looking at, when all said and done, I've got 2 objects here, but with 32,000 triangles. That's a lot, right? That's almost too many. That's too much. Well, there's only 2 objects. There's only 2 draw calls. And if I go back over into this, no, into this. Look at 3D, look at info. Okay. A lot of draw calls, but I think we can improve this a bit, especially if I change up so that is there a modifier here? Or no, okay, we don't want that. Oh, but I could we could add in a fence very simply with that with the scatter here. But that's a whole other thing. So here, level detail, generate on. Okay, great. We've got that. I'm gonna look at this. Make sure that we're using chunks. Was that in scatter item? I think that's in scatter item. Visibility. Okay, yeah, we're gonna save a lot here if I do point 1. Boxes! Ooh, taking that lead. Oh. Taking that lead away from Captain Coder. Has lost first place. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Let's see. Let's refresh here. Whoa, now that's getting awkward. Pretty sure we want to use instancing because each instance is going to be a different, or is going to just be a copy of the same thing, right? Is that the way that it works? Is that the goal, or the way that it's expected to work? Is that going to be the way that the things are wanted to be? I've got to look at the place. Anything you want. Okay, back here, where is the, okay, that's most recent. Where are docs? Ah. Oh? Doc. Okay, we're looking at render performance, render mode. Performance use instancing. That's what we're doing. Keep static colliders. Okay, that doesn't. What? Boxes, thank you. Bongo, nice. Bongo and Sledmore, congrats on getting the gift subs. Apoxis, thank you so much for dropping the gift subs. Crap, what time? It's almost 11 o'clock, and I'm supposed to stream again at 8 o'clock in the morning, which is like less than 5 hours from now. Don't you thinking about it? Don't think about it. Just don't think about it. Let's not think about math. Ooh, block coding. So that's kind of like Scratch. What's theater? The theater of the mind. Oh, linear dialogue system. Close. Great. Audio effect gate. Oh, great. Facts. Animated UI elements. I'm the store. Okay, close. I don't need 2D stuff though. That's not really. Actually, you know, if it wasn't for my tooth, I would do a subathon type thing. But honestly, I don't want to do a subathon for the simple fact that, you know, it's limiting my time if I don't get the number of subs, right? If I don't get any subs, then really, okay, well, nobody subs, so 2 hours are up. Deuces. So that's one thing that really turns me off from doing something like that. But I want to do my music stream. I really, excuse me, want to do my music stream. I just am I'm not in pain anymore. But I still have not really. And if I push down, it's pain, but the abscess is still kind of there. It's not as swollen as it was, and it's been draining pretty well. But I'm afraid to play or to pick up my horn and play. And I am loving seeing all the Twitch stuff here. Maybe I should put up an asset library for a streamer bot, like very simple, even simpler streamer bot for Godot. Godot LLM? Ooh. How? Ooh, okay. I am very. Wait, there's no like. Okay, let's view the files and see if there. This would be cool to add into my Godot overlay. Download an LLM model. Epoxis, I'm going to assume that was a mistel. If that's the case, let me know. I can get rid of it. But because it seems like we weren't really. We weren't talking about Tailwind. I got no problems. No problems with Tailwind, but No, I just don't want you to, you know, accidentally have said anything that could be. I know, you know, oh, tailwind, ah. But I don't want you to say anything that somebody would be like, oh, well, why'd you violate that NDA on some rando's chat? Okay, so I am very interested. Lama Sipapa, does this that'll be your model? Yeah, I figured I was being very hyperbolic. It's an epitome of hyperbole. Test embedding, text generation, G llama, GD embedding. I'm so interested in this now. Like if we can add in a bot. Of our own. I want to though test it and like train it in our own way. Although I'm very fond of my own LLM implementation.
Long, long,
Oh yeah. So that could be a lot of fun to try and implement. Let's close it. We're not going to implement it here. I'm really just curious about what. Oh, that's cool. I'm really just curious about, you know, what new things are coming out here. And what people are throwing out here. Easy sound, easy sound. They may not be the best trees, but they are my trees. And I am proud of my trees. Oh, why'd the thing do that? Okay, so... Ooh, that might be a... Well, I don't know. It's going to be so dark, it shouldn't really be an issue, but... Like... Okay, that should be fine. Irish Jern! Jern. Welcome in, my friend. It is so good to see you. Folks, get over there. Wishlist that shit. Rise of Piracy. Truth is, according to legend, that the music for Rise of Piracy was written, recorded, conceived, and composed on the toilet. I don't know, Apoxis. I think I might have accidentally turned it off for something that I was concentrating on. Or I think that I might have opened it with the wrong version of Godot. I'll work on that a little bit offline. It'll be available tomorrow. Hopefully. But yeah, so Jern, how you doing? What is up? Anything else you want to share? You want to talk about Side Project Saturday starting up soon, right? Deep Space Renegade just followed. Welcome in. Good to see ya. Appreciate you, even if you're not here. If you're only over in Quellis' stream. That's still okay. Let's return the favor of the shout out. Oh, I have to wait 28 seconds. I wasted the good one on Jern. Failed to create SVG from buffer. The fuck are you talking about? Quellis, what is up? What is going on? How are ya? I was just trying to shout you out because I saw that you shouted me out. There, time's up. What's up, Deep Space Renegade? How you doing? Thank you for the follow there, Deep Space Renegade. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Every little bit is appreciated. So welcome in. I'm actually gonna be winding down because tomorrow we're doing Stop In Saturday, which is, if you're on the Discord, either mine, Claw, the Hub, indie creators, any of those, and you want to just stop in and, you know, talk shop or talk shit or whatever, let me know. And that's what it's going to be about. In the interim, but when there's not shit talking happening, then we're just gonna work on Sooty, work on well, maybe play some games, maybe, I don't know. Fuck, it's Saturday. What are we supposed to do? So if you haven't seen the updates to L Game, let me shrink myself down behind my logo here. We have the lights. We have better trees. We have fire with sound. More better trees. Ambiance. Billboards or bulletin boards. How are we doing on? A bear who wants to eat us. Whoa, shit. And he found us. He's gonna come after me here. And flashlight's dying. Oh, crap. Boom. Dead. So yes, the maps are now accurate. I've got one there, one there, one there, one there. I don't have the bathrooms up yet. I don't have the ranger station up yet. But, oh, but things are coming together. And the nice thing about the way that I have things set up is when it's time to make level 2, I just have to dupe this, clear the terrain, and rebuild another one. Deep Space Renegade. The actual inspiration for this there is twofold, threefold, fourfold. So number one inspiration is Baldi's Basics. With a twist of FNAF. Little bit of Slender Man. And this commercial.
I know a place that's peaceful and quiet, a place where animals play. It's called the forest, but every year we start forest fires. A careless match, a cigarette, and poof, fire. So the next time you're in the forest,
This commercial.
be extra careful.
Right,
Okay?
right there.
Careful. Okay?
Right there.
Be extra careful. Okay?
There. Damn it. Yes, right there. Right there. This frame, right here.
Okay?
That is the Inspirato for all things. Hold on, there is something that I need to fix here because my music thing is oh Pigorli, we were just talking about you. And so when I do my Pigorli cosplay, instead of using the traditional ginger beard, I was gonna use this kind of mask. Notice the brown beard instead, which I kind of almost got going on. But we're just showing off the Inspirato for City. But we can back out of this and it's
If you
and folks, it is about time for me to call it a night because it is after 11 o'clock my time. I'm back here at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning for stop in Saturday, sub to me Saturday, you know, all the things, all of the aboves. Keep Space Renegade, thank you for coming in. Thank you for joining, Quellis. I appreciate you both being here. I'm going to shrink that freaky ass thing there. Folks on YouTube, if you haven't yet subbed, please jump over there, sub. I'm gonna be coming up with a new tutorial this week, and probably on Sunday I'll record something. I'm thinking of doing something with 2D or with animation tree, probably 2D animation tree. And just, you know, a quick overview of how to use that. If there are things that people want to see me cover on those, I do have Kofi as well, where you can sponsor a video. And if you want to keep in touch, the boxes, thank you so much for the biddies. Thank you for all the biddies. I mean, we hit a lot of biddies tonight. I loved having a biddy war. I felt so dirty, and it felt so good. Yes, vie for my attention. Hee. So YouTube, take care. I will see you all later tomorrow.